So today, I'm in the green t-shirt, and that can only mean one thing. It's service and MOT time. Let's head over to Jonathan at Peak 2CV. It did low. When I started it this morning, it was fine. There should be a change in. So I'm lucky that we got here because the battery hasn't been charging on the journey to Peak 2CV this morning. Now I've just got to work out what exactly is causing it not to charge.
5 minutes later.
So on the drive there this morning, obviously poor Dotty wasn't charging the battery, which is why it was a little tiny bit flat when Jonathan comes to start it up. But thankfully Jonathan of course has traced it back to a dodgy voltage regulator, which I am reliably assured is one of the easier things to change.
Yes, that's done, and then we'll put your battery on charge. Just leave this little one on for now.
Yeah.
We'll go for a little test drive in it.
Wonderful.
Put yours on charge, so it'll be alright.
Thank you. Looks quite clean, doesn't she? And the result?
It's lovely. It's as nice as any to drive, that is. And a lot nicer than a great many.
Oh, good.
But your windscreen washers aren't working, so we'll have to have a look at that first.
Now, you famously offered me a free wheel bearing if I did 20,000 miles or 25,000 miles. Do you remember that?
Change your wheel bearing for free next year if you do 20,000 miles.
I don't think I'm going to get a free wheel bearing. How many miles have I done?
133.
That's must do better. Sounds like a school report, doesn't it? No washer fluid coming out.
Yeah, well, it is as I hoped. It's just the nozzle's blocked. Kind of happens on these cars that aren't driven, you know.
Why don't you mention the garden centre? You normally mention the garden centre.
You can definitely go further than your local garden centre.
They're just always problematic. But is there a specific reason, or it's just? Yeah, okay, that's
Connections.
okay. Beep and beep. Let there be light.
There we go.
And I like looking under here as well, so not because I know what I'm looking at, because I don't, so I just like looking. This is what can happen to a Citroen 2CV. Look at that. No jokes about Flintstone cars, but look at that. You realise just how bad a box section can be, look, can't you?
What there is left of it. Well, here's the rest of it. There's the rest of it.
That's terrible.
That's the sill.
That's absolute.
That's a bit more of it.